Today we have a 2011 Mini Cooper with the Harman Kardon system. The problem we're having here today is the intermittent audio, the same amplifier problem everybody has, and we want to show you the location of the amplifier and how to remove it. On first glance, it looks like the whole back of the vehicle, the center of the vehicle, the side of the vehicle, the whole top and sides need to come apart in order to get this panel back, because the amplifier sits right here. Now, the shortcut which I found is at the back. There's a little spot where you can grab this side vent. The back edge pulls out and then pulls back to release the front edges. Now the amplifier sits right here. There are 3 screws that hold it in place. You're going to need a 10mm deep socket for this spot here, because the screw is so long. I've already got this one loose, of course. We have a second screw, or actually there are 3 screws that hold this in place. This is one. The second is, if you pull the panel back a little bit, you can get your hand up in behind here. And there's a second screw about right here. Again, you're going to need the deep 10mm socket to get this one loose. It's real fun because the ratchet's going to go, when you get in there, the ratchet's going to go this way in order to get it for any room to turn the bolt. And then at the very top there is one here too, which, reaching up around the side of the amplifier and up to the top, you can feel that. And then you'll need your short 10mm, because this one is a bolt. Now, once these 3 screws are removed, this will allow you to pull the amplifier with the bracket off of the side of the vehicle here, and it will drop down. Now we have a connector here. I've already removed this connector, but the connector here is usually is in this position when locked. And if you look real closely, there's a little tab up here where there's an arm here and a little tab at the top. We want to push this tab down, and as you push this tab down, this arm will release over it, and as it releases, it pushes the connector right out of the amplifier. And when you install this amplifier, this connector into the amplifier, you push this in, and the bar will start to push up as you push the connector in, and then you lock it into place. So with the connector released, and with the bracket on the amplifier, we can wiggle this down and out of this opening, believe it or not. And the amplifier is out with the bracket. Now this amplifier again sits just like this in the vehicle, with the connector at the bottom here. We have the one bolt that sits about right here, this one at the very top, and this one here at the side, which is easily seen. This may be a little bit difficult, but on first attempt on this, it's crazy to try and remove the side of this vehicle. This is the easiest way. I can do it this way in 15 minutes rather than 3 hours the other way. But this will get the amplifier out, and you can do with it what you want. We do not repair this Harman Kardon system. Hope this video has been helpful on location and removing the amplifier. If you have answers as to what to do aftermarket here, I would be happy to hear that. Please see our other removal videos. Thank you for watching, and see our website as well.